Hello, I'm Dr. Shantala Bhole, a consultant gynecologist at 7-Star Hospital, Nandanvan, Nagpur. Today, I would like to introduce you to our team of gynecologists in our hospital. The head of the department is Dr. Ashish Kubde. He is a renowned vaginal surgeon. He's world renowned all over the world. He's also an expert laparoscopic robotic surgeon with additional training in cancer surgery as well. Dr. Vijayalakshmi Kotalkar is a very experienced obstetrician and gynecologist. She has a wide experience in treating different conditions, especially in pregnancy and pregnancy-related disorders. She's also had an experience in dealing with high-risk pregnancies. I'm Dr. Shantala Bhole. I'm a gynecologist, laparoscopic and a hysteroscopic surgeon. The junior-most member of our department is Dr. Anup Kapse. She is a vibrant and excellent gynecologist and obstetrician. We deal with many problems with all the problems related to women and pregnancy. Some of the common complaints that women come to our hospital include vaginal discharge, period problems, either heavy bleeding or less bleeding, pregnancy and all pregnancy related issues related to the uterus and the ovary, like fibroid in the uterus or a cyst in the ovary, and of course sometimes we also deal with cancer patients as well. We have an advanced operation theatre equipped with the video endoscopic systems and also lasers. We specialize in doing almost all surgeries through the minimally invasive method, that is, without giving a big incision on the abdomen. In our hospital, we have the facilities to deal with all surgeries related to the uterus, especially with the help of the laser or laparoscope. We deal with tumors and cancers of the uterus, the ovaries and the cervix. We also have a very equipped radiology department which helps us with diagnosis. We have ultrasound, CT and MRI. For pregnancy, we have a well-equipped labor room and an operation theatre. We also have qualified neonatologists and NICU as well. All our staff are very well trained and we are NABH and Manyata accredited as well. And we focus on keeping our quality up, and we focus on training and retraining as well. We also continue sharing videos with you related to some important topics of gynecology and obstetrics. So please do watch and subscribe.